Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about the fourth verb, arrange, which helps us sort the data in ascending or descending order as we please in the dplyr command framework. In the previous videos we worked about select, filter and mutate, where we learned how to select columns, filter the dataset and how to create new columns with the mutate command and use the transmute command if you only want to retain the newly created columns. In this video we'll talk about, okay, now we have the dataset, we have columns in it. Do you want to sort it in ascending order or descending order? What is your need? What do you want to see? So with that, let's get started. I'll do the same things as at the start of every video. Clean the console, upload the sales order dataset. I'll paste the link in the description below for you guys to practice. It's a free dataset available. Feel free to use it. I'll load the dplyr package. And now we come to arrange function. In this arrange function, what we have to do is, let's start by arranging the column region. Now region is east, central and west. So if we do arrange on it, it should sort in alphabetical order. In alphabetical, central should come first, then east, then west, right? So let's go to the code and we want to do sales order, then arrange region. Okay, I've run it, and in sales region ascending, I get the very same thing. Central comes on top, then east, then west. So this is very helpful if you want to see a certain region on top, or you just want to see data in a proper sorted manner. That might just help you very easily understand what the data is and how it's looking, right? So this was ascending. If I have to do descending, what do I do then? So if you see, I didn't write ascending here. Arrange, if you put a column in it, the default is ascending. You don't need to tell whether you want to descend or ascend. If you're just putting it like that, it will assume that you want it in ascending order. Now in descending, you have to write a desc function across outside the column. So let's say here I want to arrange items in a descending order, which will be from Z to A, because this is text, right? So now if I run this item descending, you'll see that the items are pencil, pen set, pen, desk, binder. So binder is, in the lowest. So if it was in ascending, binder would have been on the top and pencil would have been on the bottom. So this is how you do arrangement or sorting in a descending manner by using the desc function inside arrange. Now, what if you want to apply sorting to more than one column? You want to sort on region and item, both in an ascending order. So what we do is, we do a sales order, then arrange region comma item. First sort by region, then sort by item. So first we'll have a central and then we'll have a binder, right? Because these were the main things. So if I run this and I see the data set, you see, okay, we have central binder first, then we have central desk, central pen set, central pencil, and then we'll have the same for east again, because we wanted to sort first with region, then with item, right? So this is how sorting with multiple column works. Now, what if you wanted to sort in this one command only, a few columns to be in ascending order and one column or two columns to be in descending order? Now, as we have discussed, if you want to do a descending order, just wrap the descending function outside of the column name, right? So here, what you can do is sales order, then arrange, first sort by region in ascending order, then sort by item in ascending order, and then sort by units in descending order. I want to see in every region for every item what was the highest unit sold from top to bottom, right? So when I run this, you'll see that this helps in data readability a lot. So I'll open this data set and you can see, okay, central binder 94 units sold, right? So this just helps by seeing, okay, central binder was first and central pencil was the lowest units, right? East binder was maximum and east pencil were the lowest units, and east lowest units were 5 times the central's lowest units. So this just helps you observing different columns if you sort them accordingly. So like sort region alphabetically, item alphabetically, units descending order, right? So you need to play around with this ascending, descending alphabetically, or reverse alphabetically order to suit your needs, but everything happens with the arrange function and the desc function alongside a column as per your need. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.